Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been over 1 year since our last post, so today I bring you something refreshing. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 recipes of my avocado salad that I really love. The first recipe contains lettuce, cucumber and avocado. Like I said, these recipes are really simple and very easy to put together with very affordable ingredients. So you have the lettuce, which I've thoroughly washed and chopped up. Okay, this is too much for here, so I'm just going to reduce it and mix it in a second batch. So I've just added in the cucumbers, which I've diced already. Sorry, the avocado, which I've already diced, and then I'm going to add in the cucumbers that I sliced. I cut them into slices with a grater. Now I'm going to pour in the vinaigrette. This vinaigrette, I love it so much. It's something sweet and sour and it's good for dressing, and it just comes out really nice in salads and dressing meat. Okay, alternatively to this, you can use mayonnaise, or you can use a mixture of lemon, honey and olive oil if you're trying to watch your weight, because this salad is totally not weight loss friendly, even though it's healthy. But if you're trying to lose weight, it contains some sugars because the vinaigrette has high sugar content in it. So you can alternatively use a vegetable oil dressing or mayonnaise or whatever dressing of your choice. So I'm pairing this salad with chicken suya. So for this next recipe, we have the carrots, cucumber and then avocado, of course. So we're going to be cutting and cleaning the inside of the cucumber. Why do I always say avocado? So I'm going to be cutting the inside and cleaning the inside. Next, I'm going to cut them into bite sizes. So I'm first slicing them and then I'm going to cut them into smaller sizes. So next up is the carrots. I'm going to use a grater and slice the carrots into thin slices. Next, I'm also going to cut the avocado into bite sizes, but I'm going to be cutting it straight into the salad bowl. I've already poured in the cucumbers, so I'm now going to, as you can see, I've sliced and then I'm cutting them into cubes, and with a spoon I'm going to scoop it into the salad bowl. I'm not going to cut the ones that are big into smaller sizes because this avocado was really big, guys. It was really big, so I had to. I'm adding the vinaigrette and I'm going to mix everything together. So guys, our salad is ready. I hope you learned something new. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So bye. Never be caught unkind.